Welcome back, entrepreneurs and aspiring business owners. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Illinois. If you're considering launching your own business, an LLC can provide numerous benefits and protections. And don't worry if you're new to this process, we'll guide you through each step. So, let's dive in. Before we dive into the details, let's explore why starting an LLC in Illinois is a great option. 1. Limited liability protection. By forming an LLC, you separate your personal assets from your business liabilities. This means that if your LLC faces financial difficulties or legal issues, your personal assets, such as your home or savings, are typically protected. 2. Flexible management structure. Unlike other business structures, an LLC allows you to choose from various management options. You can have a single-member LLC, where you manage everything yourself, or a multi-member LLC, where you share management responsibilities with other members. This flexibility empowers you to structure your business as per your needs. 3. Tax advantages. LLCs offer favorable tax treatment. By default, an LLC is considered a pass-through entity, meaning the profits and losses pass through to the owners, who report them on their personal tax returns. This eliminates the double taxation that corporations often face. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of starting your own LLC in Illinois. Follow these instructions, and you'll be on your way to becoming a proud business owner. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step is to select a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC. Make sure to check the Illinois Secretary of State's website to ensure your desired name is available. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. An LLC in Illinois must have a registered agent who can receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the company. The agent must have a physical address in the state. Step 3. File articles of organization. To officially form your LLC, you need to file articles of organization with the Illinois Secretary of State. You can complete this process online or by mail, along with the necessary filing fee. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by law, it's highly recommended to draft an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, management, and operational guidelines of your LLC. It helps prevent conflicts and provides clarity on various aspects of your business. Step 5. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. An EIN is a unique identification number issued by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. It's necessary for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website, free of charge. Step 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on your business activities, you might need to register for state taxes with the Illinois Department of Revenue. This typically includes sales tax, payroll tax, and other relevant taxes based on your specific industry. Step 7. Comply with additional requirements. Research any industry-specific licenses, permits, or certifications your LLC may require. Make sure to comply with all federal, state, and local regulations applicable to your business. Now that we've covered the step-by-step process of starting an LLC in Illinois, let's focus on obtaining an EIN, an essential element for your business. Step 1. Determine eligibility before applying for an EIN. Ensure your LLC is eligible. Generally, any LLC with employees or those that file certain tax returns, such as partnerships or corporations, will require an EIN. However, even if your LLC doesn't meet these criteria, it's still recommended to obtain an EIN for various business purposes. Step 2. Gather required information to apply for an EIN. You'll need the following information: legal name and address of your LLC, name and address of the LLC's responsible party, Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, of the responsible party. Description of the LLC's principal business activity. Step 3. Choose the application method. You have two options to apply for an EIN: online or by mail/fax. Applying online is the fastest and most convenient method. Visit the IRS website and navigate to the EIN Assistant page to begin the online application process. Step 4. Complete the application. If applying online, follow the instructions provided by the EIN Assistant. You'll be asked a series of questions regarding your LLC and the responsible party. Ensure the information you provide is accurate and up-to-date. Step 5. Receive your EIN. Once you've submitted your application, the IRS will instantly generate your EIN. Remember to save and record your EIN for future reference. You can print the confirmation letter provided by the IRS for your records. Step 6. Understand EIN usage and renewal. An EIN is used for various purposes, including opening a business bank account, filing tax returns, and hiring employees. It's important to keep your EIN secure and avoid sharing it unnecessarily. Additionally, EINs do not expire. Once you have obtained an EIN, it is valid for the life of your LLC. Congratulations! You've now learned why starting an LLC in Illinois can be advantageous and how to go about the process step by step. Remember, forming an LLC provides limited liability protection, flexibility in management, and potential tax advantages. By following the guidelines we've discussed and obtaining an EIN, you're setting your business up for success. Starting your own LLC and obtaining an EIN may seem daunting at first, but with the right information and guidance, you can navigate the process with confidence. Be sure to consult with legal and financial professionals for personalized advice based on your specific business needs. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, it's time to take action and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Best of luck on your journey as a business owner, and may your LLC thrive in the vibrant business landscape of Illinois. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.